Here's this thing called Claude Code. What it is that it's an artificial intelligence large language model that lives on your computer but thinks on the cloud. What this means is that it has access to all your files, can create files, delete files, amend files, or even break everything and leave you without a working device. But don't you worry, the safety rails will be there. This is just to show you how powerful this thing is. So let us go ahead and download Claude Code. But first, you'll need to do those 2 steps. Step number 1, head over to claude.ai and create an account if you've not already done so. Step number 2, type VS Code in your search engine and hit the link that says Visual Studio Code, the open source AI code editor. Hit the download button for your appropriate machine and wait for it to download. Unzip, hit the icon, and now you've got Visual Studio Code. Mouse to the left and hit the extensions button. Type Claude in the search and hit install. Hit the Claude orange star and follow the on-screen instructions. Congratulations, you now have the world's most powerful artificial intelligence on your device. So, what are you going to build with all this power? Sign up and I'll see you in the next one.